I'm here today to show you 4 beautiful brown-haired wigs from UniWigs. The first one I'm going to start with is Bonnie. Bonnie comes in a beautiful truffle brown with some highlights throughout. She is 100% Remy human hair. She has a lace front, as you can see right here. She has a mono top that is 100% hand tied all around here. And then she comes with a wefted, closed wefted back. She's 22 inches in cap size, but you can also use these adjustable straps as needed. She is 16 inches in length, and I just put a little bouncy curl to her. I love the color on Bonnie. I love the very subtle highlights throughout to just kind of lighten her up just a tad. She's super beautiful, very realistic hairline, and again, mono top. So all you would have to do is wet this down and you could change the part however you like. Arie is a rooted cappuccino, which is kind of like a caramel brown color. She is very beautiful, super silky soft, 18 inches in length with a 21.5 inch cap size, which is a smaller cap size. She also has lace front, mono top, that is 100% hand tied. This one is just a sample wig, but she will come with a closed weft back. Is that she is new to UniWigs, and she is a human hair synthetic blend. So the cool thing about her is she has hair memory, which means she comes straight. She's gonna stay straight after you wash her. You can add heat to it, like a low heat to add curl to her, but she's gonna remember how straight she is after you wash her. The hair is seriously so soft. I love the straightness of it. I love that she doesn't come curled because my hair was naturally straight, literally pin straight like this. So this just gives me that memory of like having my natural hair back. Like it reminds me so much of my natural hair. All right, number 3, Jennifer. She is a wooden caramel. Okay, that is the name of her color. She does have the blonde highlights, and they kind of frame the face here, right there, kind of some curtain bangs framing the face. She is 16 inches long, 22 inch cap size, 100% Remy human hair, lace front. Okay, so entirely lace, which means you are gonna wanna use some glue or wig tape or something like that. She's got the closed wefted back, adjustable straps, and she also comes with combs if you need them. She looks beautiful straight. She looks beautiful with a slight curl to her as well. All right, so that is the beautiful Jennifer. All right, the very last one I want to show you guys today is Pandora, and her color is called Brown Spice. Only 12 inches long, which is so great. That's what I love about her. And she's this bouncy, cute 12-inch wig, and I love it. She does have a 22-inch cap size. She is lace front, mono top, 100% hand tied with the closed wefted back, adjustable straps in the back. You guys, wait till you see how adorable this one is. I just love. She is parted a little bit to the side, but again, with that mono top, all you have to do is get it a little bit wet and you can change that part to go down the middle. You can switch sides. You can do anything you want within that mono top. Don't you just love her? She's so cute, so sassy. Brown Spice. And there we have Pandora. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you have any questions about those 4 beautiful brown wigs, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching.